Your good name is?
Prabhu,
What's your age?
60.
60. What you are doing?
I'm doing software engineer.
Wonderful. So I'm very happy to hear about the changes just for 30 days of miracle drinks treatment in CKD issue. You tell me when actually it was noticed that CKD problem?
CKD problem when I went to admitted to Swasthya hospital. Then I came to know the doctor told to go for dialysis. I denied that. I don't want to do all the things. So I came to know you are the good medicine Ayurvedic is giving. Like that I came to here. From 1 month onwards, I'm drastically changes happen. Right now I'm full active and I can drive the vehicle and also. So now creatinine level is so less and that uric acid, urine, all the things are reduced. That is I am very happy. Thyroid is also less full.
It has become normal.
Normal.
No, it's not absolutely normal.
And you tell me before taking the treatment, what was the condition of your health?
Condition I'm not able to walk.
Number one.
Even. I'm fully tired. I'm sleeping in the bed only.
Okay.
I'm not able to come outside the bed. So I'm suffering a lot.
What about the body swelling also was there?
Yes, swelling also is there. Now swelling also not there. Earlier it is there. It is not there right now.
In how many days it was disappeared?
It is 30 days.
No, that swelling.
Swelling.
In a week it has disappeared or 10 days it has disappeared, that swelling. After taking my medicine,
after 10 days it is reduced everything.
Reduced everything. So then earlier how much creatinine was there?
Creatine?
Creatinine.
It was before it was 6.3. Now it's 4.57.
Then what about EGFR rate?
EGFR also increased.
How much?
10 to 14%.
10% to 14%. So overall health is totally improved.
Totally more than 60% is improved.
Great. In a month. So this is because of the diabetes or BP this was happened?
That we don't know.
No. You are having diabetes or not?
I have diabetes.
That means what we call diabetic nephropathy. That is because of the diabetes. So what about the medications? Have you stopped many medications?
Yeah, I have not taken any medication right now. And sugar also very less now. Less in the sense it's normal.
The earlier I have told to not to take so many medications.
Yeah, earlier I'm taking insulin 30 units. Now I'm reduced to 5 units.
That also you quit today onwards.
One time I'm taking.
No, now you just leave that 5 units also. And what about the tablets? What are all the
I never ever take anything. Only BP tablets, that's it.
Only insulin and BP, that's all.
That's it, yeah.
Wonderful. Now insulin from 30 units to 5 units you are reduced.
Yes.
Now that also you quit. What is the HbA1c now?
HbA1c before that 12 is there, now it is 10.
Excellent. Beautiful. Even after leaving, reducing the insulin, it has reduced.
Yes.
Excellent. Very good. Thanks. Thank you very much.